So, hello everyone. Today we are having Gaurav Shravgi, All India ranker of November 2013. The good thing about the Gaurav is कि वो हमारे मतलब हॉस्टल मेट थे, है ना? वो मेरे साथ ही हॉस्टल में थे. तो काफी सारे फनी स्टोरीज आई टेल ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू सेशन कि क्या फनी स्टोरीज थे और क्या था. तो हाय गौरव भैया, कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू?
Hi Shim, I'm good. How about you?
All good, all good. So how is this Corona time going on? मतलब work from home, some new exposures.
थोड़ा tough चल रहा है because I always like going to office and doing my work from office. I didn't prefer working from home since last 6 years, but now we are forced to work from home. So I don't have any choice. But abhi it is hitting me. I'm itching to go back to office. But yeah, this is the new normal. I think for next 4-5 months, and we'll have to get used to this unless there is a vaccine.
Okay.
But it is tough, at least for me.
अच्छा. सेम एवरीवन इज फेसिंग यार. अब हो गया यार, अब बुला लो ऑफिस में. बट इट्स अगेन अ रिस्की जॉब कि भाई अब जाना भी है, खतरे से खाली नहीं है. समथिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ. तो गौरव भैया के साथ की आई टेल सम स्टोरीज की व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड. तो इनिशियली जब मैं आया था हॉस्टल में तो समवन टोल्ड मी कि रूम नंबर 22 में AI 23 है. ठीक है, उससे जाके जरूर मिल के आना. तो IPCC में गौरव भैया सिक्योर्ड AI 23, राइट? तो मैं बोला यार गौरव भैया से मिलना पड़ेगा यार, भैया रैंकर है. मतलब तब तो मैं 11th में था, तब तो रैंकर मतलब भैया एकदम आसमान भगवान एकदम ऐसे. तो आई जनरली व्हाट आई डू कि आपको भी याद होगा गौरव भैया कि आप संडे को ब्रेक लेते थे, तो मैं संडे को आपके पास आता था मिलने के. गौरव भैया डाउट है, समझा दो मेरे को. तो दैट वाज द रीजन कि भैया गौरव भैया से मिलने मिल जाएगा. तो वो चीज था. और आई ऑल्सो रिमेम्बर द डे इवेंट की जब आपका रिजल्ट का डे था. तो हम लोग ऐसे स्कूल जा रहे थे एंड आप कैंटीन में ही थे, है ना? तो मतलब हम लोग बॉर्नविटा पीते थे. तो वहां पे क्या होता था, हाँ, तो हम लोग क्या करता था कि फिर हम सुबह जाते थे, बॉर्नविटा पी के जाते थे. गौरव भैया भी वही थे. तो मैंने गौरव भैया को बोला, गौरव भैया आज रिजल्ट है, आज आपका रैंक 1 तो पक्का है. तो ही वाज लाइक FR का पेपर थोड़ा टाइट गया है, तो वहां पे हम देख लेंगे. तो फिर देन द टाइम वी केम बैक फ्रॉम द स्कूल, सब ऐसे एकदम जोश में पूरे हॉस्टल में आसपास सब ऐसे घेरा बना लिया. मैं बोला भाई क्या हो गया, आग वाग लग गई, क्या हो गया? तो बोले गौरव भैया का रैंक आया. मैं बोला क्या मजाक कर रहे हो, कौन सा रैंक आया? बोले 1. मैं बोला बाप रे. देन यू रिमेम्बर हमने ढोल वोल भी बुलाया था, सब नाच रहे थे एकदम जोश. दैट वाज अ फनी मोमेंट. मतलब बहुत सही था. तो गौरव भैया, हाउ वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस? मतलब आपको वो दिन कैसा लगा?
Okay, so it was one of the best days in my life, I must say. So it was 15 January 2014. I still remember that day.
अच्छा.
I knew that life will not be the same after 15 January. So I went to office early, and I knew that whoever secures rank 1, 2, 3, he gets a call from president of ICA. Okay. So I was not looking at the website because what happens, results are announced 5-10 minutes late. Okay. And all the 3 rank holders, rank 1 to 3, they get to know about the result 10 minutes earlier. So
correct.
To be very honest, I was not looking at the website. I was looking at my cell phone because
अच्छा, भरोसा है कॉल आएगा.
Yes. And somewhere I was expecting that I have given my best, so I will definitely secure a rank in top 10. Okay. So you can't always say that you will secure rank 1. It is not possible at all. There always some doubt, because you don't know how others have performed. But I was expecting rank in top 10. And since I aimed for rank 1, I was hoping a call on my cell, 10 minutes. And then Mr. Subodh Kumar Agrawal, who was the then president of ICI, he called me. And couple of funny moments happened there. Okay. So he called me and he said, "मैं Subodh Kumar Agrawal बोल रहा हूँ, president of ICI." So I knew that I am in top 3. Okay. But then sir got confused between 1 and 2. So he was not sure whether I am rank 1 or rank 2. Okay. So then he was checking with someone. Okay. Yeah. So मैंने कि इसका rank क्या है? Then he said कि okay आपका. Then someone told him कि ये rank 1 है. So then Subodh sir told me okay, you secured rank 1 and this is a great achievement. So I don't know. I think I didn't even thank him properly. और मैंने फोन कट कर दिया. So I don't. And it was so embarrassing that I couldn't say thank you to the president of ICI. And he called me to congratulate. So I was so happy, that I secured rank 1. That I think I forgot to wish him also. Sorry, I forgot to tell him also that thank you for this news.
Achha.
Then I rushed to my principal's cabin. I told him that sir, I secured rank 1, and then he was so happy. And then immediately I called my mom and I told her that I secured ranking. So yes,
So
that's how. Yeah.
I remember the moment, the time you were coming from the office to the our hostel. तो that time कि you were coming with a car. मैं सोचा यार इतनी जल्दी गौरव भैया ने कार भी ले ली है. So I think that was your boss का car था, right?
Yes. So I got that car for a couple of days.
सही है. तो गौरव भैया, how was your journey after you got the rank and till the time now? मतलब how was your journey? How do you find the job? What was the struggle? मतलब ठीक है, रैंक एक बार आ गया, you get a brand name, आपको एक टैग मिल जाता है कि हाँ भाई this person is a ranker. फिर उसके बाद I think a real journey start कि भैया जाना कौन से डोमेन में, right? Whether to choose जो मुझे चाहिए वो चूज करूं या मुझे पैसा चूज करना है, तो वो डिसीजन आपने कैसे लिया?
Yes, so it is always tough. See, if you secure a rank, you will always have many offers. But then during your articleship days, you are inclined towards a particular subject. It can be audit, it can be tax, or it can be anything. It can be financial management and all that. So I was always inclined towards direct tax. Okay. And I knew that I'm very passionate. So whatever used to come up during articleship days, which was in relation to direct tax, I was showing some extra interest, and I was doing it with more heart. Okay. So I knew that somewhere direct tax is my field. Okay. So then if you have to if you have to make your career in direct tax, then Big Fours are the option. Okay.
Correct.
And unfortunately, Big Fours at the starting level, Big Fours offer comparatively lesser package, vis-a-vis industry.
Correct.
So I had many offers from various industries, but then I had to choose between my passion and between money. So,
right.
Hands down, I was always going for the thing which I like, which was direct tax. Because I somewhere knew that if I love what I'm doing, then I will compensate whatever is the loss of money for this 4-5 years. Something, and money, name, and fame will always follow. So I never went behind money. I always wanted to do what I love, which was direct tax. So to all those freshers, who cleared, or to all those rank holders, my advice is don't look at short term. Always look at long term. Okay. And if you don't like to go to office, if you don't like your work, then what's the point in earning so much money?
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
I always feel if you're not enjoying what you're doing, then the money is of no use. So
पैसा क्या काम का? Correct.
Passion choose करो, money will follow you.
Correct. Great.
That's a simple advice.
तो गौरव भैया, मतलब आई जनरली कॉल दिस एज कि मतलब जब भी मेरा स्टूडेंट कोई पूछता है तो मैं उनको बोलता हूँ अपनी लैला ढूंढो. लैला इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि तुम्हें किस फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट है ना, जिसके साथ तुम पूरा अपना जीवन बिता सकते हो. तो दिस आई कॉल्ड एज अ लैला. बट गौरव भैया, व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि फ्यू ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स या काफी लोगों को क्या होता है, एक बार वो सीए बन जाते हैं तो फैमिली प्रेशर, पीयर प्रेशर आता है और बोलते हैं यार अभी तो पैसा कमा ले. द सेम केस हैपेंड विद मी. मतलब मुझे टीचिंग में जाना था बट आई जॉइंड द स्टार्टअप. गौरव भैया, बट वो कोप अप नहीं होता है, तो उसके लिए आपका क्या एडवाइस है? मतलब
See, I faced the same problem, when I got job in Big Four, because people always used to ask me my package. Okay, they always used to feel that I will be earning like 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, which is not the case for a fresher who is working with the Big Four. So that is fine. You can't pay attention to each and every person who is saying something about you. You need to be yourself, and you need to focus on your work. See, there will always be some critics, even if you're earning crores of rupees, someone will always criticize you. So I know it is very difficult, to turn blind towards all these, critics, but you will have to do it, and you will have to focus on your work. Because आप किसी के अगर बोलने से खुद को impact कर रहे हो, then आप खुद के लाइफ में जो अचीव आपको करना है वो कर नहीं पाओगे. Correct. Distractions always will be there. People will always criticize you for something or other, but it's up to you that you should just turn off your mind from all those things and just focus on your work. So it is switch on, switch off. You should know when to switch on. You should know when to switch off. So because someone is giving you a constructive feedback, okay, about your career, about your whatever development areas. Whenever there's a constructive feedback, you should switch on. And when someone is saying trash about you, so just switch off yourself and ignore what that person is saying.
सही है, मतलब दिस इज अ गुड स्ट्रेटेजी, स्विच ऑफ स्विच ऑन, यस.
Yeah.
बट गौरव भैया, मतलब इज देयर सम टाइम ऑफ इश्यूज या ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता था कि आपको, कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग इन ऑफिस, और वो ज्यादा कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करते थे कि ही इज अ रैंकर, ये तो इसको कुछ भी दे दो ये कर लेगा, एंड मतलब नहीं होता था, फिर मतलब हाउ डू यू मोटिवेट योरसेल्फ, एंड मतलब वो एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं मीट होती है तो फिर हाउ डू यू कोप अप विद दैट?
So see, I was very clear in my mind. So on 15 January, I have decided that I will have to keep this achievement. I will have to forget this achievement. To be very honest, if I just keep that tag of rank 1 on my shoulder, I will never be able to achieve my dreams.
Correct.
Because I wanted to be a successful chartered accountant. Okay, if you want to be a successful chartered accountant, you can just keep that tag and that ego of rank 1. So I know there will be expectations, higher expectations from me, but I can't get bogged down with rank 1 कि मैं rank 1 हूँ तो मैं गलती कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ.
अच्छा.
So I always think from 16 January onwards there is a new life. I have to achieve new things. So let's forget all the past achievements and let's focus on new beginning. So when you keep this mindset now, when you forget about your past achievements and when you focus on the next goal, you will not get that pressure. You will never get bogged down with your past achievements. Very simple. Very simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो गौरव, if I tell you one of the incidents regarding कि what happened actually after that, कि अगर आप जब हॉस्टल छोड़ के गए थे ना, तो रिमेम्बर योर रूम नंबर 22 है ना, तो वी हैड अ फाइट फॉर रूम नंबर 22 कि रूम नंबर 22 कौन लेगा. तो इनिशियली व्हाट हैपेंड कि रूम नंबर 22 के लिए सब फाइट कर रहे थे, तो सबसे पहला रूम नंबर 22 फुल ऑन हुआ था. तो मैं बोला भाई रूम नंबर 22 नहीं, बट आई विल टेक रूम नंबर 23, है ना. आई टुक रूम नंबर 23 नेक्स्ट ईयर, कि मैं बोला वाइब्स तो आएंगे, पॉजिटिव वाइब्स तो आएंगे मेरे को और मेरी भी रैंक आएगी. तो चीजें होती थी गौरव, भी आप एक बार हॉस्टल छोड़ के चले गए ना, तो फिर वो लोगों को लगता था ये रूम लकी है भाई. तो हाउ डू यू कंपेयर दिस स्मार्ट वर्क वर्सेस हार्ड वर्क, मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा ज्यादा सही है?
Okay, so see, I always believe that you should see there is no alternative to hard work. Okay, you will have to work hard, but then at the same time you should be smart. And there's a very thin line between hard work and smart work. See, just by doing smart work, you can't achieve something. Okay, there has to be a combination of hard work plus smart work. So you need to be smart. So I'll tell you about studies. If you just focusing on routine things, so there are 100 questions in say consolidation. Out of 100 questions, 80 questions are very repetitive. Okay, so if you just keep doing those questions repetitively, you are doing hard work. Okay, there is no doubt there. You are not doing hard work. You are doing hard work, but then what's the point if you're doing same question again and again? So you need to be smart and you need to pick those questions which are very tough and which cover all the adjustments, which will help you in cracking those exams in CA final. Correct. So you need to pick those questions and focus on those questions. At the same time, you should be very thorough with the basics. Because अगर आप basic question नहीं करोगे तो आपका base नहीं बनेगा वो. So you need to be smart. You should be smart enough to pick up basic questions, routine questions. At the same time, you should not stick with those basic questions. You will have to move on to some tough questions. Again, and when it comes to professional life also, so I have a limited experience of 6 years. There are many professionals who are much more qualified and much more experienced. But what I felt, that in professional life, again, you have to choose assignments, considering the technicalities involved, considering the client who is involved. At the same time, you need to also be hardworking. So if you get a particular assignment, you need to deliver on time. Correct. So that combination of smart work plus hard work is important everywhere. And I think many a times we are swayed away with this smart work thinking. Smart work ही करो, आप पहुंच जाओगे top पे. I personally feel that there is no shortcut to success. Correct. You have to take that long route to achieve something, but at the same time you need to be smart in that journey.
Road less traveled.
Yes, road.
So Gaurav, yeah, one more thing कि currently what the issue is कि एग्जाम्स आर डिलेड, राइट, एंड स्टूडेंट्स को क्या लगता है कि करंटली द एग्जाम्स आर डिलेड एंड स्टूडेंट्स को लग रहा है कि उन्होंने हार्ड वर्क तो करके बैठे, स्मार्ट वर्क भी करके बैठे, बट जो हमारा जो एग्जाम था इन जून का, है ना, दैट हैज बीन शिफ्टेड टू द नवंबर, राइट. तो नाउ नवंबर में द क्राउड विल बी डबल, जून वाले भी रहेंगे, नवंबर वाले भी रहेंगे. तो उनका मतलब उनको ऐसा लगता है मैं तो हार्ड वर्क करके बैठा हूँ, अभी मेरे को पढ़ाई नहीं करना चाहिए, या मतलब व्हाट शुड दे डू, मतलब उनको अभी क्या करना चाहिए? व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस फॉर देम?
See, a simple advice, don't worry about things which you can't control. So I know most of the students would be frustrated about this, June attempt getting merged with November attempt. So, but you can't help it. Okay. So if you have additional 4-5 months, what I would suggest that you should, if your aim was earlier to secure rank, then you should go for a very good rank. Okay.
Okay.
If your aim was to just pass the CA exam, then I think you should go for a rank. And if your aim was to pass only one group, then I think you should go for both the groups. I think you should take this 4-5 months positively, and you should strive to do better.
Correct.
Vis-a-vis, vis-a-vis your earlier aim. And again, don't worry about all these things. These are not in your control. So there can be twice the number of candidates. Results may be comparatively low, and question paper may be tough. But all these things you can't control. You just can study. That's it. That's in your hand. So just don't get bothered about other things, and just focus on your studies.
Okay. मतलब पढ़ते रहना है, रुकना नहीं है, मतलब that sort of. भले ही दिन में you study for few hours, अभी don't stop, right? Because जो नवंबर वाले वो तो पढ़ाई कर ही रहे हैं, correct? और जो जून वाले उनको तो पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा.
जो जून वाले ऐसा मत सोचे कि मेरे को सिर्फ so earlier they were studying for 12-13 hours. Then they should not study only for 2-3 years under the assumption that we know everything and we will be able to crack the exams. So don't be casual.
Okay.
Keep the same pace going. I know it is tough. I know you have to study for more 4-5 months, but unfortunately that's the only option left. Don't be complacent. Don't be casual.
Okay.
This 4-5 months. The same pace going.
Okay. Gaurav, so now coming to the industry trend of questions, sort of कि suppose if some chartered जो अभी clear हो गया, तो उसको क्या expectation रखना चाहिए industry से, और मतलब how do you see the fresher as a chartered accountant जो अभी industry में आते हैं या big four में join करना है, तो what knowledge do you expect, या क्या उन्हें कम से कम इतना तो पता होना चाहिए कि भैया this is a basic expectation which someone should have, or the basic knowledge someone should keep when they are joining the industry?
See, one thing is very important. You should have practical experience. Okay, whenever you are joining any industry, it can be a big four, it can be a manufacturing sector, it can be IT sector. You should know basics, and you will know basics and practical experience only if you have done your articleship thoroughly and diligently. Because in articleship, you will learn some things practically. Okay, so it will depend basically कि आपने कहाँ पे articleship join किया. Suppose you have joined a big four, you will learn more things about audit. If you join a mid-sized firm, you will learn many things about basic tax audit, company audit, and some basic stuff. But my point is, wherever you are doing articleship, do it diligently, because whatever practical experience you gain during articleship days, that really helps you in future. And using that base, you can become an expert in a particular field. So I'll give you practical example. I'll give you practical instances. When I secured rank 1, I got calls from many CA students asking one question that, Gaurav sir, we did our articleship from a mid-sized firm. Do we have any future in an industry or in a big firm? So my suggestion was that if you are doing your articleship from a mid-sized firm, take all the advantages. As in mid-sized firm, you will get to do bank audit, companies audit, tax audit. So this experience you will not get in a big four.
Correct.
Try to take as much experience as possible. And if you're doing articleship from a big four, then become the subject matter expert. Okay, because if suppose you are doing articleship from from audit field, you try to acquire as much knowledge as possible, and then you can leverage on that particular experience to become an expert in that particular field. So जहाँ से भी आप articleship कर रहे हो, do it seriously. That's my point. That will really help you once you become a chartered accountant. And one more thing. Once you become a CA, you should always have that desire to learn. See, I have seen people कि अब मैं CA बन गया हूँ कि अभी और मुझे पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है.
अच्छा, हाँ, right.
You should not carry that attitude. You will have to learn a new thing every day.
Yes.
Because our profession is evolving every day, and there are so many technology developments which are happening. Laws are changing frequently. So unfortunately, we will have to read each and every day. So there is no stopping as far as learning is concerned.
Correct. So if I say कि अगर तुम two important things you have to do when you're in articleship, one कि you have to become a subject matter expert, and second you have to find your Lela in short term. If I say.
Exactly.
So Gaurav, how do you see, suppose if some freshers come to you or मतलब for an interview, अगर कोई नया CA आता है, तो how do you look at that person, or what sort of questions you ask him in terms of कि this is a bare minimum expectation if he is coming to my organization or he's become a chartered accountant. So what sort of things you look when someone comes to the industry, or what sort of questions you ask them?
So I basically focus on three things. First is technical knowledge, second is practical knowledge, and third is communication skills in terms of writing skills as well as verbal skills. So you should have. I'm not saying you should be expert in a particular field. So, for example, if you are very good at technicals, but if you don't know anything about practical things, or if you are very poor at communication skills, then it becomes very difficult to hire someone. If I am interviewing someone, so I always focus on these three aspects. So I check his technical knowledge. Okay, then I will throw some practical case studies. So if I'm interviewing someone for direct tax, I'll ask him some practical case studies. Yes, I'll give him some hypothetical facts. I'll ask him to go through the act. So I always ensure that particular candidate has income tax act with him. If he's not carrying income tax act, I'll give him the act, because it's okay. It's not a CA final exam. कि जहाँ पे आपको याद करके आना है. अगर आपके पास knowledge है, then you should be able to apply that knowledge when it comes to Big Four. So practical application आना चाहिए आपको, जो भी आपका knowledge है उसको apply practically. And third is communication skills. Again, communication skills is a journey. If you are very super at communication skills, then that's the best case scenario. But if you're not very good, don't get disheartened. If you focus on some basic things, if you read newspapers regularly, if you watch some English channels regularly, you will be able to work on your communication skills, and you will become a great communicator in future. So these three things, I check.
तो गौरव यार, तो व्हाट इज योर पार्टी पीस ऑफ एडवाइस फॉर द फ्रेशर्स जो अभी आएंगे, या उनको कौन सी चीजों पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स दे शुड फोकस ऑन बिफोर दे आर क्वालिफाइंग, और बिकॉज दिस इज द टाइम दे हैव सम बिफोर क्वालिफाई के होने के कुछ टाइम है उनके पास अभी क्वालिफाई होने से पहले, तो आपका क्या एडवाइस है फॉर देम कि व्हाट दे शुड डू, और they should focus on this things so that they can easily get into industry, so that they easily get the job, और जो उनको करना है they can do in their life.
So see, first of all, again, as you rightly mentioned, लैला कौन है आपकी? जहाँ पे लैला है, वहाँ पे जाओ. That's a basic thing for a fresher. So suppose if you want to start your own practice, go for it. There will be a gestation period of 5-6 years. But if you're really interested in practice, then just don't look at other people. If 90% people are going for campus placement, it's okay if you start your own practice. Initial 4-5 years will be tough, but that is fine. Correct. You will enjoy more in practice. Similarly, if you want to go for industry, again, it all depends on your interest. If you are really interested in auditing, then again you should join a Big Four. If you are interested in tax, then you can join a boutique firm, or you can again join a Big Four. Or if you want to be a very good manager in terms of various fields, because in Big Four what happens, you become a subject matter expert. So if I am in income tax, I'm a subject matter expert of income tax. But in industry, you get to learn most of the subjects. Okay, it can be accounting, it can be DT, IDT. So if you want to have knowledge of all the fields, you can go for a particular industry.
Okay.
Yeah. So again, it all depends on your interest. There is no thumb rule. Your interest.
And Gauravya, just last advice for the students, अगर किसी को rank लाना हो, someone wants to get into AR1, what tips, कुछ tips दे दो यार.
So very simple. If you want to secure a rank, and that too, if you want to secure rank 1, then you should be thorough with all 8 subjects. So what I have seen in past, if someone loves accounts, he will just focus on accounts and he will ignore law, audit, tax. That you should not do, because if you want to secure a rank, then you should be able to secure good marks in all the 8 subjects.
Correct.
Many times what happens, if you are well prepared for say accounts, but if the accounts paper is tough, then you'll have to cover up your marks, in other subjects. And then if you are not well prepared for other subjects, then you won't be able to secure good marks.
Correct.
And then securing a rank becomes difficult. So just focus on all the 8 subjects equally, because see, all the 8 subjects carry 100 marks each. So why do we discriminate between accounts and audit?
गौरव भैया इलेक्टिव तो पढ़ते ही नहीं है, आरएम रिस्क मैनेजमेंट में पढ़ाता हूँ तो कोई पढ़ता ही नहीं है, बोले सर इसमें तो इजी है, ओपन बुक है, बुक ले जा लेंगे हो जाएगा सब.
वो तो जो कैजुअल एटीट्यूड आता है ना, that becomes stoppage between securing a rank and just clearing CA final exam. So don't be complacent with respect to any subject. Focus on all the 8 subjects equally. And again, when it comes to a particular subject, so for example accounts, in accounts there could be 10 topics. You need to focus on all the 10 topics equally. Again, you cannot just cherry pick. Okay, these 6-7 topics are important, so I'll focus on these 6-7 topics, because you never know that when ICAI will ask questions from those remaining 3 topics. So focus on each and every topic, focus on each and every subject equally. And second thing, be consistent. I've many times seen that people become casual once they join articleship, because they always feel that we have 3 years to write final exam. But if you want to secure a good rank, then you should start from day one. So I'll just give you my example again. I'm not bragging. I started studying for CA final exam the moment IPCC results were out.
Okay.
Because I knew I have only 2.5 years, and the goal which I had set for myself was that so I secured rank 23 in IPCC. I want to do better. Okay.
Correct.
So my aim was to secure a better rank. Between 1 to 22. And then you must be knowing Pawan Sarda.
Yes, your idol.
So, he was my idol, yeah. So he secured rank 2
yes.
in CA final exam. So somewhere, I wanted to do better.
Yes.
So I wanted to beat my idol, to be very honest, in academics. So then I thought there's only one slot left. So why should not I aim for rank 1? Let's give it a try. I'll give my best and let's see how things turn. So, Pawan Bhaiya secured rank 2. So I started my IPCC in 2010. I think Pawan Bhaiya secured rank 2 in 2011. So between that 1 year, my aim was to secure better rank as vis-a-vis IPCC. Once Pawan Bhaiya secured rank 2, my aim was to secure rank 1. So that's how I changed my aim.
नहीं ग्रेट यार, मतलब you should, मतलब होना चाहिए कुछ तो, some goal should be there कि you should focus on.
And one more thing, don't disclose your goals to anyone, because see, it puts unnecessary pressure on yourself. So if suppose I tell everyone I want to secure rank 1, if I tell this thing to all my friends, I'll be under unnecessary pressure.
Correct.
To secure rank 1, because I know everyone is expecting rank 1 from me. So if you have a goal, good to have that goal, but keep it to yourself.
Correct.
Yeah. Just to avoid unnecessary pressure on yourself.
Yes. Thank you, Gaurav. Yeah, thanks a lot for your valuable time, your inputs. मतलब it would really help everyone to secure the rank, to help in building the career path. Thanks, Gaurav. Yeah, thanks a lot.
No problem. It's my pleasure. I am more than happy to help CA students.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.